Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. If you are like me, you've been putting your screens and your windows upside down your entire life. I didn't realize this until just recently. Here's the thing. You probably keep your screen down on the lower section, so when you come over here, oops, just left it. When you come over here, you open it, now you have a screen. Oh, I can feel the breeze, but not. Except here's the thing. When you open your window, why do you open your window? It's probably to cool down your house, to let the heat out and the cool in. And this is not the way to do it. In fact, this is the way to do it, right? We need the top of the window so that the heat inside the house can escape. What's the problem with that? Bats, birds, bugs, they're all gonna sneak in through the top. So what I learned is actually that you wanna take your screen out, and what I learned, I mean, I don't know. Does anybody else do this? Here's the thing. Just flip it over. Put it back in. And flip it over, put it back in, put the screen up at the top. Now, when you open up your window to throw water balloons down at your neighborhood pest kids, you don't have the screen in the way. Now, when you go to cool down your house by opening up the top, now I can actually open up the window and cool down the house without the bugs getting in. The window functions the same. Obviously, this is a double hung window, so this only works if you have a double hung. But basically, the most genius, simple life hack you'll ever encounter. So, what kind of life hack tips do you have for your windows in your home? Comment down below and let the whole world know. This is a community we're going to share with each other. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for liking, commenting on this video. In the meantime, we'll see you next time with another great update and helpful tip from Spirit of a Handyman.
Spirit of a Handyman.